Hey everyone, Mr. Lindstrom here again with the Crystal Experiment Lab. So let it go over the weekend, and I have some interesting results to show you. First of all, I want to show you something. I decided I wanted things to kind of evaporate a little quicker, so I added fans to both of them. And I noticed a few interesting things. I'll show you the crystals in a second. Um, I noticed that my coffee filter is crunchy. It's like, I guess some crystals must have formed inside the paper, which I thought was kind of interesting. I'll drop it. You'll see. It doesn't sound soft anymore. Kind of, you can hear it. It's kind of crunchy sounding. So let's go look at the salt crystals first, the NaCl sodium chloride crystals. They formed beautifully. Look at that. Really. I mean, there's all sorts of different shapes here, which I'm curious about why some of them are more, you can see like that one's like more fluffy looking and some of them are more solid. I'm curious about what causes the difference there, so I can think that maybe I could do an investigation a little further in that. That's the thing about science investigations. Ooh, and these ones, bunch of almost lacy-like. How would I get it? So let's say I was trying to sell crystals, for example. How would I get it so that it forms these nice kind of square ones, these, or those lacy ones? Interesting question. Not sure. Second thing, so the Epsom salt crystals. Nice and crystally, so which is interesting. You can see it, but if you were here, you could see that actually it's liquid underneath. So with the Epsom salts, it's formed differently. It's like it formed crystals on the top surface, but underneath. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can shake it down a little bit, get those crystals to fall to the bottom, and expose some more liquid for evaporating, and see if I can get the whole thing to form crystals. But I was interested to see that the salt just evaporated the water, but the Epsom salts kind of formed a skin on the surface. So that's another thing that might be worth investigating. So this is the sort of thing that I would love to have as a result is, what did you find out? And you have some ideas for further investigations that you might do. Even if you don't do them, just thoughts that you might have. Okay, here we go.